Buying a home can be a daunting experience, no matter how many times you do it. Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips to simplify the process and eliminate any stress. So let's get into it. Hello, I'm Kishan Milani, a veteran in real estate industry for last 30 years. Without further ado, tip number 1, find the purpose, whether it is for self-stay or investment, and what kind of residential property are you looking at. For more clarity on various types of residential properties, you can watch my video, Types of Residential Properties. I'm sharing the link in the description box down. Allocate a budget with your own contribution as the down payment, and remaining amount can be loan. I advise you to go for a pre-approval of loans, which is possible with all the banks and financial institutions. The reason being, once you know how much loan is approved, how much money you have, then you can go shopping with funds. Going shopping with funds will give you an upper edge to negotiate on the price, on the location of the flat that you want there. Many people want this on the higher floor. So all these things can be worked out if you are ready with the funds. Tip number 2, based on the budget, you can zero in on the location that you want to go for. Every city has best locations. These locations become best depending on the infrastructure and development work that happens there. To understand more about infrastructure and development, you can watch a video that I made for the city of Pune. It can apply to your city as well. So the video is where to invest in Pune. I'm sharing the link in the description below for your benefit. Find 3 to 4 good projects in this shortlisted location that you want to be in. Many times you may also want to take help of a realtor or a real estate consultant. These have to be RERA certified, of course, because only then they'll have better knowledge over others. Nowadays, you don't need to pay any commissions for primary market purchase to the consultants. So they are not going to charge you anything. On the contrary, you gain advantage through their experience. They know the nitty-gritties of the project. They know the developer. They know the location very well. They may also know the history of this land, how the title has flown and all. And also, they may give you some comfort about quality construction and timely possession of this project. All this is very important so that you don't get stuck in a transaction. How to find a realtor or a real estate consultant? It's very easy. Every city has a real estate association. You can connect with them and find out somebody is suitable or doing business or doing services on your site. You can also access website of NAR India, that is National Association of Realtors India, which has all the member associations listed on its website, and from there you can pick up your city and the association that is connected to that city, and from there you could find out the realtor that you want to access. For your convenience, I am sharing the link of NAR India's website in the description box. After the shortlisting is done, compare the configuration, whatever size you want to buy, whether it's a 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK. You can compare this configuration with other projects in that vicinity that you have checked on. Comparison has to be with the price, carpet area, location of the property, the access road, the neighborhood, the amenities provided by the developer, the stage of construction that the developer is in, the goodwill of the developer, etc., etc. There are many parameters that you can compare, and based on what suits your taste, you can zero in on or shortlist that particular project, and then there is where your negotiations and the journey with the realtor or your own self starts. After zeroing on, you go ahead and book the apartment and make sure to keep a tab on its work progress on the stage of work. Usually developers deliver faster than the date that they have declared to RERA, which means your monies also would go faster. Your installments would come up faster because these are construction linked plans. After paying a certain amount of maybe 20%, they'll ask you to register the document at the sub-registrars office. Once you do that, make sure to keep the original documents with you and also keep a certified copy for future uses. And original can go to your bank locker because that's a very, very important document. Now, in case you avail a loan, then this original will be taken by the bank or the financial institutions. Based on that, they'll start giving the installment to the developer in concurrence with you. Make sure whenever the original document is to be handed over to the financial institution or the bank, take a covering note from them that they have received the original document and keep that note with you without fail, because umpteen number of times there have been cases when you're about to clear up all the loans, when you repay the amount and call for the original document, many times the documents are misplaced or lost. Of course, here again your realtor should do the hand holding. He or she will guide you through the complete process till you get delivery of your apartment. Last and tip number 5, make sure to connect with the developer well in advance, just in case you want certain changes in your apartment. For example, you want different flooring tiles, some changes in the bathroom fittings, electrification, anything that you need to do there, you got to contact the developer well in advance, because once he finishes the construction, it will not only become very expensive for you to get it done, but many a times you may not be permitted to do that. So it makes more sense for you to connect with your developer in time. Finally, Finally, possession is the sweetest thing of any home buying because now your dream home is ready. The wait is over. The developer will intimate you and you will be taken around the apartment, shown everything. So it's kind of an inspection. You check out each and everything, whether it has been broken or not fixed properly. That is the time you got to check this out. Once you are certain that everything is on order, they'll take a signature from you that you've inspected the flat and it's in perfect order as it should be. After which the developer will issue possession letter and the set of keys. Usually they give 3 set of keys, but depends upon developer to developer and the kind of locks that they use for the main doors. Some developers for certain projects also give you a kit along with the manuals of do's and don'ts. And yeah, of course, you can now stay in your home, sweet home. So friends, today's question of the day is, what is your reason of buying a home? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with someone who may need it. Subscribe if you're new and hit the bell button for notifications on our next upload. Thank you very much. Goodbye.